Hello students, now we are going to study types of polynomial. On the basis of degree of polynomial, polynomial can be categorized into many types. For example, if degree is 0, then what is the polynomial? You can say it is fx equals to a naught x to power 0. This is called the constant polynomial because it is the fx equals to a naught. In previous video we have studied that example fx equals to 10, and for different values of x this value remain 10 because f1 is also 10, f2 is also 10. That's why it is called the constant value, and from this we can understand that this polynomial is called the constant polynomial. तो हम लोग ये बताना चाहें कि what is the meaning of constant polynomial, then you can say the constant polynomial can be written as fx equals to some constant here, which is either a naught, or you can represent any numbers. This is called the constant polynomial. Okay, तो यहाँ पर एक काम करेंगे हम लोग, पॉलिनोमियल को जो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल था वो कब आएगा, जब डिग्री क्या होगी उसकी 0, जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री है, गॉट इट। और इस केस में जो ये लीडिंग कोफिशिएंट है दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट कांस्टेंट, ओके, वही डिसाइड करेगा। फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज मैं आपसे कहूँ कि fx इक्वल्स टू 10 जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिखा था, वो एक एग्जांपल हो जाएगा। और कोई एग्जांपल लिखनी हो, सपोज fx इक्वल्स टू 5 -5, कुछ भी एग्जांपल लिख सकते हैं। अच्छा, बात आती है इसका ग्राफ कैसे होगा। अब ये कॉमन सेंस की बात है, मुझसे कोई कहे कि ग्राफ ऑफ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल, तो इसको हम लोग एक बार ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं, समझ लेते हैं ये ग्राफ कैसे बनेगा। देखिए, इस ग्राफ को डिनोट करने के लिए एक काम करते हैं। मैंने सपोज ये लाइन ले लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर। सपोज दिस इज द x एक्सिस, गॉट इट, एंड दिस इज द y एक्सिस सपोज, and this is the line. Then what is the meaning of this constant polynomial? Let it is the point 0, 5, means on this line if we put x1, then here the point is 1, 5. If x is 2, here is the point 2, 5. If x is 3, here is the point 3, 5. Means this is the line of y equals to 5. This example line means here y equals to 5. fx is denoted by y. तो ये जो लाइन है ना वो कांस्टेंट है, that's why it is called the constant polynomial. Actually आप x की वैल्यूज -1 रखोगे तब भी वैल्यू 5 आ रही है, -2 पर भी 5 है, पॉइंट माइनस का 0.5 है, अगेन द वैल्यू इज 5, that's why it is called the constant polynomial. तो बात समझ में आ गई, what is the constant polynomial, and it is called the graph of the constant polynomial. तो इस ग्राफ को हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे डिनोट कर लिया, अंडरस्टैंड, ओके, ठीक है। अच्छा, यहाँ पर मैं 2 पॉइंट्स बताना चाह रहा था, एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट्स हैं वो समझ लें। एक टर्म यूज करूंगा मैं डोमेन, और एक टर्म यूज करूंगा रेंज। डोमेन जो होगी वो एक्स एक्सिस पर आएगी, तो डोमेन यहाँ आ जाएगा रियल नंबर, मीन्स -इनफाइनाइट से इनफाइनाइट तक आप कुछ भी रखो, उसको बोलते हैं डोमेन। डोमेन इनपुट होता है। और एक आती है रेंज। रेंज जो वैल्यू वाई एक्सिस पर मिलेगी, इन दिस केस range is 5, or you can say general aspect range will be a naught. तो इस क्वेश्चन की यदि हम लोग या फिर इस पॉलिनोमियल की स्टडी करना चाहें, जिसको मैंने कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल नाम दिया है, और मैंने नहीं दिया है ये नाम, इट इज द जनरल नेम कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल, what is the meaning of constant polynomial, what is the domain of constant polynomial, and what is the range of constant polynomial, or you can say what are the values of constant polynomial. ये सारे aspects इस पे over होने चाहिए. Okay. Now further. Now second case लेते हैं. This is called the linear polynomial. What is the meaning of linear? Linear polynomial. Yes, this one. If n equals to 1, then what is the nature of polynomial? You can see fx is of this type: ax to power 1 plus b. This power 1 is called the degree of the polynomial. That's why it is called the linear, because this expression is called the linear expression, where a and b are the constant. A is called the leading coefficients because it lead, as we know, leading coefficient. Got it? For example, if I give into you fx equals to 3x plus 5, this is called linear polynomial. Yes or no? Now what is the value of the polynomial? We can put different x, then find different values. For example, if x equals to 0, then 5. If x equals to 1, then we can obtain 3 into 1 plus 5. It will give 8. And different values we can obtain. And by observing these values, we can draw the graph of linear polynomial also. And what is the graph of linear polynomial? What is the graph? Then take the color and this line. Suppose this is the, oh no, this is the heavy x-axis. Okay, take the big x-axis. Sorry for disturbing you, but I don't want this pen. And we can take this little pen, and now we can draw, okay, the y-axis. Oh no, line is not coming. Okay, now line is coming. This is the heavy y-axis. And what is the line? Now it is so heavy. Then further increase here. Okay. Now I want to draw the line. How we can draw the line? Line can be drawn like this. Line can be drawn like this. Any situation is the line? Yes or no? Then if we want to draw a line which is, for example, fx equals to 3x plus 5, then how we can draw this line? We put x equals to 0 and find the y, or you can say fx, it is the 5, and put y equals to 0 and find x, it is the minus 5 by 3, and make a table x and y, it is 0 and 5, and it is the minus 5 by 3 and 0, and make this table like this. And by this table we can select the points 0, 5 and this, and draw these points. I am going to take line parameter from here, then take it. Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Then what is the point 0, 5? 0, 5 means x0 and y5. Let it is this point 0, 5. Yes or no? And second is the minus 5 by 3, 0. Let this point is minus 5 by 3, 0. And joining these 2 points, we can easily draw the line. And let this is a line, and joining these 2 points, you can say like this. This is the equation of line y equals to 3x plus 5. Got it? This is the linear polynomial, and it is the value of polynomial. You can see at x equals to 0 the value is 5, and for the different values we can draw this line. Okay, understand? Then what is the meaning of linear polynomial? Linear polynomial means the degree is 1. This is the basic concept, and the value of the polynomial can be obtained in different points, and we can draw the graph of this linear polynomial. Now to most important point, domain and range. Okay, check the graph and find the domain on x-axis. See, the graph is here. Okay, now what is the domain? Domain means the points of input, and here we can see we can apply it minus infinite to infinite all the points here. Means domain is the real number. And what is the range? Range is in this example also a real number, because you can obtain from minus infinite to plus infinite all the points, because line is not this little tiny lines. This goes from this side to this side. Means if I want to extend this line, then you can see that this is the line further increases like this, and from here like this also. Got it? This is the total line, and furthermore, that's why it can take all the values of y from minus infinite to infinite. That's why the range is also the real number. This is all about linear polynomial.